Eurotex Knitwear Limited. Situated at Kutupur Fotulla Narayanganj, Eurotex Knitwear Limited is an eminent ready-made garment manufacturer and exporter in Bangladesh, operating since 1998. Mohammad Shahidul Islam is the managing director who is running the show sitting on the hot seat. Mohammad Bilayat Hussain is the most experienced garments connoisseur, is the chairman of Eurotex Knitwear Limited, while Mohammad Shakhawat Hussain, the director of Eurotex Knitwear Limited, who is a known personality in the garment sector. Led by Shahidul Islam, a first-rate team orchestrates the group to success. Eurotex has 7 running concerns in the garments and allied sectors. To meet its export demand, Eurotex uses advanced machinery to produce all the knit fabrics. Its current knitting capacity is 60 tons per day. Capable of dyeing 55 tons grey fabrics per day, Eurotex uses pioneering machines from leading makers for dyeing. It has wet dyeing and dyeing finishing facilities, sophisticated tubular and open-width finishing machines. Its dyeing finishing capacity is presently around 55 tons a day. Equipped with modern machineries and technologies, its laboratory plays an indispensable part in all its production phases, especially at knitting and dyeing, in order to maintain a consistent caliber. The group has an accessory backup unit with packaging for its own consumption. A proficient merchandising team prepares the basis for quality and speed in production. A pre-production meeting and a trial production process help fine-tune beforehand the actual production procedure. Afterwards, Eurotex obtains patterns and markers using peerless computer-aided solutions. Its coherent sample section ensures each piece of apparel to be identical to the approved samples. Then fabrics are cut in bulks, utilizing every inch optimally. Eurotex uses state-of-the-art embroidery machines with 450 heads for augmenting further its apparel as per the buyer's needs. Eurotex Knitwear offers digital printing and screen printing facilities. It is capable of garment printing in all specifications from film to screen developments. In up to 12 colors together, it can print 150,000 pieces of garments every day. Eurotex also has an all-over printing facility where it can process about 8 tons of garments each day. Each of the sewing floors is about 20,000 square feet. With 120 lines of the latest machines, Eurotex's sewing floors are invariably made self-sufficient. And therefore, Eurotex now produces about 6 million pieces of high-quality knit apparel every month. At each of its lines, the process inventories pass through rigorous inline and end-of-the-line quality checking systems. Afterwards, thread sucking, ironing, and precise final quality checking are done to comply with EKL 1.5. Passing through needle and metal detecting machines, apparels get packed in a demarcated place that follows CTPAT requirements. Eurotex provides its buyers with self-sufficient checking facilities with adequate equipment. With equal diligence and surveillance, the logistics fleet ships its cargoes to the appropriate destinations on time. Eurotex Knitwear Limited produces and exports high-quality knit apparel in both fashion and casual categories for all age and gender groups. It is an virtuoso at knitwear manufacturing. Distinguished and prestigious apparel buyers from Europe, North America, Australia, Asia make up the clientele of Eurotex Knitwear Limited. Eurotex Knitwear's export has been increasing exponentially. Its export is projected to cross $100 million mark by the end of 2021 and is expected to reach about $120 million in 2022. For its spectacular performance, Eurotex Knitwear Limited has achieved various prestigious awards and certificates. About 10,000 people work with this group. For them, Eurotex Knitwear Limited is more than compliant, more than that required by the ILO and local and international labor conventions and factory acts and provisions. The Workers' Participation Committee is of utmost importance here. Through this committee, workers' rights and responsibilities are established at the factory. It provides the workers' recreation facilities and several other bonuses and benefits. With fire door, auto pump and firefighting preparation is of world standards. Eurotex runs regular training sessions to keep its people trained and ready for effective emergency evacuations. It runs an effluent treatment plant of contemporary technology which, at the capacity of 220 cubic meter an hour, cleanses dying effluents. All the water Eurotex intakes through its deep tubules to dye fabrics. Eurotex has gas-burn power generators with backup sets of diesel-operated generators. They produce more than 5 megawatt of uninterrupted electricity to meet the entire power demands of Eurotex. Eurotex maintains steam boilers by gas firing and also EGB boiler sourced from world-leading makers and brands. Eurotex understands business in words of cooperation, sustainability, progress. It continually reinvents itself to achieve excellence.